So hello everyone, today this is a special video on NSSB Crash Course. So this video is presented by Aspirants, and this video is focused on Crash Course, that is the materials that will be provided to you in the Crash Course. So in this video I'll be explaining the sample notes because it is the right of the aspirants to know what they are receiving, and material they have the right to see the material. So our group is free and fair, so we'll be providing sample notes, and it is for you aspirants to judge whether you want to register in the course or not. So if you're interested by the end of the course, kindly go to the number this in 84150398823. So this video is presented by Aspirant Circle, and the course is just 4,899. We'll be providing sample notes in this video, and if you register you will get notes on this. So the video is focused on showing you what material you are going to receive if you register in the course. So let's get the video started. First is Nagaland. So Nagaland, you will be provided with a Nagaland map, and you'll be provided with point-wise facts. No need of going through lengthy notes, just do the point notes, because NSSB is only MCQ, so no need of studying very very long paragraph. Only point-wise question, which will be very beneficial for your examination, even for NPSC. So like 3 districts with Manipur, Doyang and Doyang River and its origin, and highest peak Mount Saramati, and national parks and sanctuaries with their date of origin and total area, elephant reserves like this, and also the latest data on districts which will be provided in the material. So Nagaland material will be provided in point wise, and it will be, and the important points will be highlighted in bold. So kindly go through this, and the Nagaland notes will be provided like this. Next is grammar. So grammar there use a very exam oriented portion, like usage of articles a, and the, and the materials will provide you some examples which you can go through. Next is sentence arrangement. This question is asked in exams, where you will be provided with a series of sentences and the arrange correctly, which is in order. So the sample notes here shows that you will be provided with explanation also point wise. So kindly go through this, and if you're interested you can register in the course. So multiple sentence and you have to arrange in order. So explanation will also be provided and answer will also be provided. Next, synonyms means same different words, same meaning. For example, interrupt to fearless is interrupt plus same meaning to fearless is. So synonyms is very important. For example, touch is a what is a synonym of interpret? So it will be fearless, like that. Various other samples will be given: abrogate, difference, covenant, obnoxious, etc. So synonyms, many points will be given on synonyms. This is just a sample notes, as full notes will be provided in the material. So these are the material. Antonyms will also be provided in harmony, factor. Antonyms means same word, different meaning. Means different meanings. For example, harmony means strife, means opposite. Harmony means which is in peace. Strife means very chaotic, like that. Lemon, rejoice. Mutilate, mend, like that. So antonyms is opposite. So exam point of view, antonyms is very important for the exam purpose. Next is geography. Geography will be provided from the NCERT, and only from NCERT mostly, and it will provide in point wise. No need of going through long paragraph, only to the points concise notes. Don't get confused with the sample notes, because these are just sample notes. The real notes will be provided when you register the course. So the course is just 4,899, and you will be provided with online course also. Next is land frontier and boundaries and frontier of India, which will be provided in uh, point wise. So you can go through the material. So physical division, which was asked in MPSC 2021 means, what are the physical divisions of India? So this is also important for NSSB as well as NPSC. Next is computer. Computer is a very important part of NSSB, because majority question, though 100 questions computer I will as sure as so computer you will be provided with each and every detail regarding the history of computer and the basics of computer, that is what are the parts of the computer, and classification of computer, that is what is computer classified into. So question the ICQ though, what is a microcomputer? So option will be given in a micro computer touch is version, so it will be provided microprocessor, like that, microprocessor, integrated chips, vacuum tubes, etc. So the answer will be microprocessor. So like this, it will be provided in point wise, very easy for aspirants who are very weak in computer, in computer subject. So it will be provided like this. Next is ancient in history. So history will be dividing into three, that is 4 parts, that is ancient history, medieval, modern, and art and culture. So ancient history will be provided like this, like Harappan civilization, contemporaries of Harappan, basics, features of Harappan civilization, not paragraph wise but point wise, and this material will only consist of 40 to 50 pages both sides, and which will be very concise and to the point. Next is medieval history. Medieval history will be provided in point wise as well. Next is modern history. Modern history will be providing from NCERT as well as spectrum notes, so you'll not miss out much on modern history. Next is art and culture. Many aspirants tend to ignore this portion, art and culture, which where questions like 5 to 10 marks will be asked from art and culture. So kindly go through this, and the material will also be provided in this, the art and culture. So next is Indian economy. Indian economy will be provided in point wise with questions like, when is the planning committee set up? First 1938, like that. So National Development Council was set up in August 6 1952. So point wise, exam oriented and concise. And next is 5-year plan. There are many materials on it, but our materials are just point wise oriented, which is MCQ oriented. Next is basic science. Basic science is also very important from NSSB point of view. So we have divided the general science into 3 portions, that is chemistry. Only chemistry questions will be provided. Next is physics. Physics also point wise, so very MCQ oriented. And next is biology. Biology also will be provided in point wise. So this material you'll be receiving when you register the course. So, and this is just a sample notes. Don't think that only 49 questions will be asked. It is more than 100 to 200 to 300 pages, 200 to 300 questions, I mean. And it will not contain many questions in many pages. Only 40 to 50 pages will be provided in general science. So similarly, biology will be provided with 200 to 300 question plus on biology, so you'll not miss out much on this general science. Polity also point wise oriented. Many aspirants must be knowing through Lakshmikant. So we have made the notes through Lakshmikant, and since Lakshmikant is a very bulky book, we have concised it, that is to the point, which one is very important for the exam's point of view. We have only made this notes, so it will only consist of 40 to 50 pages of polity. So polity will be provided like this. For example, regulating act, pitch in the act, only important points will be given. And for example, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and State Assembly. So Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, no long paragraph, only to the point, which is exam oriented. Next is, for example, judicial activism, judicial reason, overreach, review and PIL. So this will be given in point wise and with short paragraph. Which points are important? For example, PIL will be provided in very short paragraph. Next is CZ, that is numerical ability plus reasoning. So the material will be provided along with examples. For example, average average la formula do, and you will be provided with 2 or 3 examples. So the aspirants will not miss much on this material. Next is percentage. So percentage also will be provided with an example, and from there we'll be providing with formula plus an example. So with this you'll be able to go through the material. Next is profit and loss. Profit and loss you'll be provided with a formula as well as the example. That is, for example, if cost price is 2,516 and selling price is 2,272, the percentage is loss is like this. So I've explained in the NSSB course before that CZ, that is reasoning and mental ability, and numerical plus computer and English are very important for the exam point of view. So the material will be provided in the once you register in the course. So if you're interested in the course, I'll go through the notes once again. So this is CZ, this is profit and loss. Next is percentage, that is formula bhi dina thako or example bhi dina thako, so you'll not miss out much. And don't get confused that it is only 1-2 pages. There are around 40 to 50 pages of material. So I'm just giving you an example of how the notes will be once you register the course. So the aspirants have a right to know that what they are signing up for. So I've made this video to let you know that whatever the material I've shown here will be provided once you register in the course. So this is polity notes will be provided like this: judicial activism, restraint, overreach, review and PIL. And for example, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha like this. And the regulating act, all from Laxmikan as well as from other sources, and mostly Laxmikan. Next is biology will be provided like this. And chemistry, physics will be provided like this, point wise, that is 2 vectors are equal if their shape direction is same. And this question we have extracted from Staff Selection Commission exam, NTPC railway exam, and RBI, etc. So you will not miss out much on questions. Next is chemistry. So chemistry will also be provided like this. Next is Indian economy. Indian economy will also be in question format, small question with answers, that is MCQ oriented, multiple question oriented. Don't get confused that NSSB is exam will be provided only in MCQ format, not NBSC mains format, only MCQ. So you'll be doing a lot of MCQ, so the exam material is MCQ oriented. Next is art and culture also will be provided point wise. Next is Indian history, modern history. So modern history will be extracted from NCERT as well as Spectrum. So next is medieval history. So medieval history will also be like this. So you can go through Qutbuddin, Haram Shah, Iltutmish, Rakuddin, Razia Sultana, etc. Next is modern ancient history. So ancient history will be provided like Harappan, contemporaries of Harappan, basic features of Harappan, all MCQ oriented. Next is computer. Computer is a very important portion for NSSB. 100 questions will be asked from computer. So kindly go through this material, like the history of computer and some basics of computer, and many other questions on computer will be provided in this material. Next is geography. Geography will also be provided in point wise, like India is located latitudinally in the northern hemisphere and longitudinally in the western hemisphere. Next is general English. General English will be provided in point wise, for example antonyms, synonyms, and questions relating to the exam. And next is Nagaland. Nagaland will also be provided with the latest data on this. So with this, the video has come to an end. If you are satisfied with the course, you can go through the phone number, that is 84150398823. So kindly call this phone number and inquire for the course, and once you register, you will get the notes printed at your doorstep with this. So with this, the video has come to an end. I hope you all are satisfied with this, and if you are, I'll be providing the Telegram channel in the link below. So thank you for watching and have a great time.